$9.99. On our way to glory or something. Puppy, 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 puppy. Where were you when you reached 1,000 miles? Where were you when I reached 1,000 miles? I don't know. Woohoo! Charging into it. Come on, dude, I'm trying to get to 1,000 miles. Get out of the way. Ooh. Did I bring my wallet? I did. Whew. This guy is making me nervous. Yes, go that way. Good. Please do. Where were you? $9.99. I'm looking. Still driving safely and watching, but I'm looking. Maybe I'll add that yay to the video. There we go. There we go. No one's behind me. Watch for people pulling out. Here we go. Here we go, Mommy. We're getting close. We're getting close. I'm just going to go around the roundabout and go back. That's what I'm going to do. All right. Okay, you can go, buddy. Don't want anyone behind me, so I'm going to go a little bit slow. Do 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 do. Just going to keep going in a circle or whatever. Want to be able to see when I get to 1,000. Come on, come on. This has to be a quarter of a mile or more. Dog, puppy, puppy. $1,000! Woohoo! Ring the bell! Woohoo! I would actually blow my horn, but I don't want to bug all these people walking in the car in front of me. 1,000 miles, Mommy. Done deal. Woohoo! Jingle bells, jingle bells. All right, we did it, Mom. Pretty exciting. I love a parade. There we go. Two emails. Since I started riding. Okay, I'm not gonna freak out yet. We did it, Mom. 1,000 miles. Oh man, windshield's vibrating like crazy, which means that that video is going to make your car sick if anyone's watching it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This guy's waiting for me. Nope. Up here is a really nice bakery with really good lattes. I've had two. I found it, well, I knew it was there, but I finally stopped at this kebab shop. And the kebabs were so great, I shared with Jake and he wanted more. So that's kind of what we did. We went and got kebabs. I don't know how to say the name of the kebab place. Mandawan? Mandawan? Hey, guess what, buddy? You're gonna have to wait for me because I'm coming through. That was scary. I was ready for him. So not used to these big winter gloves. Big winter gloves made me hit my big red stop button. Oh, if I was brand new, I would have been like, oh! I'm just like, all right, got to throw my bike back on. Doop-a-doop-boop. 1,000 miles, woohoo! People would think I'm crazy. Burps. Well, that's a lot of cars all of a sudden. Maybe Jake and I will go and get kebabs today. Oh, we love them. And they're beef, we get the beef kebabs. Kubade is what they are when Iranian kebabs. They call them kafki or something. I think that might be Afghanistan kebabs, but beef kebabs with great spices, either one. They're different recipes, but they're good. And Mom, who actually hates beef, oh well, it's her least favorite. She'll eat it. She actually enjoys them, so that's a good compliment for them. What are those kids doing? Thousand and one, woohoo! Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Swerve around the manhole covers.